Next, if point square root of 0.2304 upon square root of 0.2304, okay, the question is different. If square root of 0.2304 plus square root of 0.1764, the whole upon 0.23 square root of 0.2304 minus square root of 0.1764 equals to x, then find x. First, find the square roots of both the things. So what are the square roots? Division method. 0.2304. Okay, groups of 2 to each. So 4. First is 0, 0 point as it is, then 4 4 the 16, 7 remains 0 4, then 88, 8, then 8 8 the 96, and 8 8 the 88 into 8, 704, and then 0. So 0.48 is the square root. Now one point you note over here, how to check which number should we multiply. 4, should I take 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever. So here see this, 1 less than 23 and 4. So which is less than 23, and it's a square, 16, that is 4 4s. Okay, now this is simple. About 88, when I bring down 7 and then 0 4, how do I decide whether I should do 88 or 85 or 84 or 83, whatever? How? See here, always divide the first number or the first two numbers whichever are divisible, or first three numbers whichever are divisible by this 8, this number. 8 8 is 64, right? This is less than 70. Try with 88. That will give you, generally will give you the correct answer. So if not, plus or minus 1. So 88 into 8, you got this over here. So 0.48 over here. Next for this 0.1764, again 4 4 the 16, point over here, then 1 remains 164, then 8. See here, 8 to the 16. So try with 82. If it is not with 82, then it can be 83 or 81 also, but just 1 or 2 numbers here or there. So 0.42 is a square root. So it's simple now. 0.48 plus 0.42 upon 0.48 minus 0.42 equals to x. So what is this? 9.9, and here it is 0.6. So remove the points, so it becomes 9 upon 6 equals to 1.5. Either 9 upon 6 or 1.5 or 3 by 2, whatever the answer is given in the exam. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations.